What's up, guys? Brandon here from Ideal Rockaway. We are out on this job site thanks to Musters Excavating for letting us be out here, and thanks to Gap Power for providing the skid steers for today's videos. We are going to run our new skeleton bucket. These are big buckets, great for getting rid of rocks and debris and sticks and stuff, great for land clearing. They have 3-inch gaps between the tines. We're going to put them in the dirt, show you how they work. If you want more information, go to idealrockaway.com or send us a direct message on here. Thanks for watching.